firing one. Good. It's that little ridge we're holding.
Our primary objectives for doing the burn up here is mostly for fuel reduction, to reduce the amount of overall vegetation up here for future fire suppression.
Firefighters are lighting up Santa Rosalia Mountain in Nisene Marks State Park.
You can spread it out a little bit. Bigger. There you go. Yeah. What's your depth look like? Where we're holding? All the way back to the corner.
This is a carefully choreographed 15-acre burn that could make a huge difference.
Stand by, I gotta get eyes on that.
Once fire season hits.
We're walking down to drop point 1, getting eyes on the bottom section. Copy.
We're blackening out these edges to get some good depth in here, and then once we've got some good black on the edges, then we'll go ahead and fire off this interior area, which is going to be a much hotter, much more intense fire.
This heavily forested part of Santa Cruz County borders Santa Clara County. It's close to Highway 17 and has significant fire history. Having this fuel break here on Aptos Creek Road could help firefighters stop a wildfire out of the east from making a run. It also occupies a ridgetop position in the landscape that is strategic for stopping wildfire. Firefighters use launchers to counter fire, drawing two separate fires together. And they throw incendiary devices to reach the middle of the burn, generating more heat and more consumption. This burn also helps California state parks manage the forest and encourage native growth.
They're interested in getting chaparral back into this area where it was much more dominant up on the top of this ridge here, and it's slowly being overtaken by some of the oak and fir. So far it's going well. We've got good consumption over here in the areas where the fire's gone through. Good stand replacing fire, so we'll have good bare mineral seed bed for regeneration of the chaparral species.
I'm Cecile Juliet for CAL FIRE.